Mazda is on a winning streak with the CX-50 and its sales numbers, and now it's about to get even better because Mazda's adventure-ready compact SUV is about to step up its game with a refreshed design and upgraded technology that will put it ahead of its key rivals. While the current model is already a pretty impressive machine, the 2026 version will take things to an entirely new level with subtle but impactful changes that make a world of difference. Stay with us to see how the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-50 disrupts the auto market. Subtle facelift, major impact. The Japanese automaker knows better than to mess with success, which is why the 2026 CX-50 updates will be subtle yet highly effective. These aren't your run-of-the-mill minor tweaks. Mazda's designers have carefully refined every detail to make the CX-50 even more striking. The front end will receive a sophisticated new treatment with redesigned headlights featuring narrower lenses and a more aggressive light signature, immediately setting it apart from the current model. But that's just the beginning. The test mule shows that the radiator grille has been tastefully reworked, maintaining the CX-50's rugged character while adding a more premium appearance. The front bumper design has been upgraded too, with larger, more pronounced air intakes that emphasize the vehicle's sporty nature. These changes aren't just for looks, they enhance the CX-50's already impressive presence on the road. Moving to the rear, the taillights receive similar attention with a more distinctive lighting pattern that's unmistakably Mazda. The bumper design has been sharpened to match the front, creating a cohesive look that flows perfectly from front to back. And let's not forget about the fresh palette of exterior colors that Mazda is introducing, giving buyers even more ways to personalize their CX-50. Interior. On the inside of the 2026 CX-50 reflects Mazda's relentless pursuit of a premium feel at mainstream prices. The interior is where the SUV truly shines, with a cabin that rivals luxury brands costing thousands more. The clean, horizontal dashboard design continues, but now features improved materials with additional soft-touch surfaces and even more attention to detail. The biggest interior change is immediately obvious: a larger, more advanced central infotainment screen. Every 2026 CX-50 now comes standard with an upgraded display that is not only bigger, but also more responsive. But here's where Mazda shows its genius. Unlike competitors who force you to use touchscreens for everything, the CX-50 maintains its intuitive control wheel that's easier and safer to use while driving. The seating surfaces have been upgraded across all trim levels, with higher grades receiving genuinely luxurious appointments. The driving position remains perfect, upright but not too high, giving you great visibility while maintaining that signature Mazda connected to the road feeling. The seats themselves offer excellent support and comfort for long journeys, with available heated and ventilated options to keep you comfortable year-round. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. While cargo space remains the same at 31.4 cubic feet behind the second row, Mazda has improved the usability with additional thoughtful touches like more configurable storage options. It may not have the largest cargo hold in its class, but what it does have is perfectly designed for real-world use. Powertrain. The 2026 CX-50 continues to offer Mazda's familiar powertrains, giving buyers three excellent options to choose from. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivers a solid 187 horsepower, plenty for most drivers, while the turbocharged variant kicks things up significantly with 256 horsepower and a substantial 320 pound-feet of torque. This turbo option transforms the CX-50 into one of the quickest compact SUVs on the market, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds. But the real star of the lineup continues to be the hybrid powertrain, which Mazda borrowed from Toyota, but integrated perfectly with CX-50's character. With 219 combined horsepower, the hybrid sits right behind the two gas-only options in terms of power, but delivers significantly better fuel economy at 35 mpg combined. That's an impressive feat for any SUV with standard all-wheel drive and genuine off-road capability. All three powertrain options come paired with a refined transmission that delivers power smoothly and intuitively. The gas engines continue with Mazda's excellent automatic, while the hybrid uses an eCVT that's been carefully tuned to avoid the droning feeling common to many hybrid vehicles. And unlike many competitors who make all-wheel drive an expensive option, every single CX-50 comes standard with all-wheel drive, giving you confidence in all weather conditions. Towing capability remains the same, relatively impressively good for the segment. The base engine can pull 2,000 pounds, but opt for the turbo and that number jumps to a class-leading 3,500 pounds, enough for a small boat or camper, perfect for weekend adventures. Driving dynamics. If you've driven a Mazda before, you know they have a special sauce when it comes to driving dynamics, and the 2026 CX-50 doubles down on this strength. While most competitors focus solely on comfort, Mazda engineers have managed to create an SUV that's both comfortable and genuinely fun to drive. The steering remains communicative and precise, giving you confidence through corners that no other mainstream compact SUV can match. But here's what makes the CX-50 special. It doesn't sacrifice ride quality for handling. The suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections impressively well, making long journeys comfortable for all passengers. There's a level of refinement here that's typically reserved for luxury vehicles costing tens of thousands more. The off-road capabilities haven't been forgotten either. While it's not a hardcore rock crawler, the CX-50's decent ground clearance, intelligent all-wheel drive system, and various drive modes make it more than capable when the pavement ends. It strikes a perfect balance between on-road refinement and off-road capability, exactly what most buyers in this segment are looking for. Technology and safety. The 2026 CX-50 receives significant tech upgrades that bring it firmly to the front of the pack. Every single model now comes with a larger 10.3-inch infotainment display as standard, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice recognition has been improved, and Amazon Alexa integration is now standard across the lineup, making it easier than ever to control various vehicle functions. The system maintains Mazda's signature control wheel that's easier and safer to use while driving than a touchscreen alone, but now adds touchscreen capability for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for the best of both worlds. The driver assist systems have received meaningful upgrades as well. The pedestrian detection system now works better at night, and all models include a new rear seat alert system that reminds you to check the back seat before exiting the vehicle. The existing suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, has been refined to work more smoothly and intuitively. The adaptive cruise control now features improved stop-and-go functionality that makes traffic jams less stressful, while the lane keeping system provides more natural assistance with the ping-pong effect found in some competitors. Higher trim levels receive even more tech, including a crisp digital instrument cluster, 360-degree camera system, and an upgraded 12-speaker Bose audio system that delivers impressively clear sound. Wireless phone charging, previously limited to top trims, is now standard on all but the base Select model, addressing a common customer request. The navigation system has been overhauled with faster processing, better graphics, and improved routing algorithms that take real-time traffic into account more effectively. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 offers a well-thought-out trim structure that lets buyers choose the perfect combination of features and performance. The lineup starts with the Select trim at around $32,500, which comes impressively equipped with a new 10.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless smartphone integration, and standard all-wheel drive. Moving up to the Preferred trim at approximately $34,000 adds heated seats, a power liftgate, and wireless charging, creating a sweet spot in the lineup for value-conscious buyers. For those seeking more luxury, the Premium trim at $36,500 introduces genuine leather seating, a panoramic moonroof, and a premium Bose sound system. The range-topping Premium Plus at $40,000 goes all in with ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and advanced features like the 360-degree camera system and heads-up display. Those wanting more power can opt for the turbocharged engine in 3 distinct flavors. The adventure-focused Meridian Edition at $43,500 combines the 256-horsepower turbo engine with unique styling and all-terrain features, while the Turbo Premium and Turbo Premium Plus, priced at $43,500 and $45,500 respectively, offer increasing levels of luxury. The hybrid models strike the perfect balance between performance and efficiency, with prices ranging from $36,000 for the Hybrid Preferred to $41,500 for the fully loaded Hybrid Premium Plus. With 219 combined horsepower and significantly better fuel economy, these models hit a sweet spot for many buyers. What makes Mazda's approach unique is the flexibility. You're not forced into a specific powertrain to get the features you want. Whether you prioritize value, luxury, performance, or efficiency, there's a CX-50 configuration perfectly tailored to meet your needs and budget. So the only thing left to do is to be a little patient, as the launch will happen later this year. And you know what the best part is? The 2026 CX-50 isn't the only big novelty that's coming this year. Its sleeker, more stylish sibling, the CX-5, is getting a full redesign, so be sure to check out this video about 8 reasons to wait for 2026 Mazda CX-5, which you can see on the screen now. Soon enough, Mazda buyers will have a tough but enjoyable decision to make when choosing between these two amazing compact SUVs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.